So for me as a plant scientist approaching this work, I see many different layers of Galle's wider interests. I see first of all him working with nature, observing it, studying its detail, having a real interest in the variation of different forms, species, that is fed through a very inquiring and scientific mind. We know that he studied and published works on some of the orchid species that are represented in this piece. But over and above that, there are other stories that Galle is telling within the overall structure. So to put it in context, Galle was working at a time that Darwin had introduced the concepts of evolution of species and the interconnectivity of species. And within orchids, Lorraine would have observed on his studies in nature that insects were intimately involved with the survival and pollination of certain species. And he weaves some of these stories into the making of this piece.